Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you. I am Nishad Khan and today we are going to start General Awareness series. So friends, in this particular lesson, we will be discussing a very important topic, that is the judicial structure in India. In many competitive examinations, we come across different questions related to this topic. You can find questions like when was first High Court established in India? When, by which act Supreme Court of India was established? And how many judges are there in Supreme Courts? How many High Courts do we have in our country? What is PIL? What is judicial review? And by which age a judge retires? So these type of questions we often see in our examination. So we will be discussing all those things in detail so that you can easily attempt these type of questions. So let's begin with our lesson. These are the contents which we are going to discuss, in which we'll be discussing what is judiciary. And in this, we will be discussing three-tiered judicial structure, where we will be discussing in detail about Supreme Court, its procedure, number of judges, okay, and high courts, how many courts we have in India. We will be discussing all those things, and district courts, subordinate courts, procedure related to the appointment of judges, okay, and role of judiciary in the governance of India, and judicial review and PIL. So if you will study all these topics, so you can easily attempt questions related to judiciary. Now, let me ask you, what do you understand by the term judiciary? See, in any democratic country, there is a concept, rule of law. In India also, we have this concept. Now, what is this rule of law? This concept was brought by Britishers in India. Okay, so we can say it is a British concept. Now, it means that every citizen of a country is governed by this concept, or we can say there are certain rules and regulations or law which govern the citizens of the country, and in the eye of law all the citizens are equal. So with this we can say that there is a concept of equality. Okay, so all the citizens are equal, and all the laws and rules regulations applied equally to all the citizens. Now think of a situation, what if rule of law is denied, or justice is denied, rule of law is not followed, and there is dispute between two states, or government and the citizens, government curb your rights. So in these type of situation, what a person will do? Now here comes the role of judiciary. Judiciary it ensures that rule of law is followed, and people can approach directly to the judiciary in cases related to violation of law. So for this, there is three structured system, okay, in which first one is Supreme Court, second is High Court, and followed by district courts and subordinate courts. Okay, so we can say judiciary is an authority which ensures that rule of law is followed. Okay, now here we can see that Indian judiciary is a system of courts that interpret and apply the rule of law in India. Okay, and it is important branch of government. Okay, it is third important organ of government, in which first is legislature. Now what is legislature? Legislature is the authority which makes the law. Okay, it makes the laws. Now second one is executive. Executive apply the law. Okay, and third one is judiciary. Okay, so judiciary ensures that law is applied and laws are followed. Okay, so this is how judiciary this is the judicial system. Okay, and one more important thing is there, that judicial system in India is independent. Okay, what is independency? Independent system means judiciary in India does not work under the pressure of government or any other authority. It works independently, and it is integrated system means there are, as we have discussed, that there are three structured government system. So they are interrelated. Okay, these three bodies, Supreme Court, High Court, and Lower Court, these are interrelated. Okay, so this is how we call it integrated system. Okay, so in this system, first one is Supreme Court. Supreme Court is an apex body. Okay, and which governs the system of judiciary. Second is High Court. High Court functions state-wise. It is the highest court in every state. Okay, there are 25 courts in India, high courts in India, and it followed by lower court, that is district court and subordinate courts. Okay, so we will be discussing all those things in detail in our upcoming lesson, and this was the introduction of judicial structure in India. Okay, I hope you will be getting all those things which I have discussed so far. So thank you for watching. Please watch next lesson for more details. Thank you so much.